Hello everyone, myself Pragati Prakash. I am currently doing BTech from IIT Guwahati. Today we are going to discuss fourth question of our long challenge, optical denomination. This problem code here, problem code is minimum nodes. We have to find a minimum number of nodes to so that we can give salary to each employee, and at most we can change the salary of one employee if required. Now in this question, first of all, we have some limitation on number of test case, then size of array, which means number of employee, and salary. So here it is written that test case should be here the range of test case n and ai is written. So first of all, we have to make clear that in this question we can't use n square. That means we can't use two for loops for solving this inside the test case. Two nested for loops, which leads to TLE. So maximum of us are getting TLE in this question or wrong answer. So I am clearing that point here. First of all, we choose a number so that get all AI values from that, and at most we can change one. That's the question part, in which we take the input of the salary of employee and later change alter at most one employee salary. So first of all, find the GCD of all elements of the array AI. Why we are doing this? As for example, if we have to give salary 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So we have to choose a number such that that number exactly divide all three of them. If it is failed to do so, then we can't use that number. For example, if we make note of 2 value, then it satisfies the first condition is of 2, and it fails in the second, but it satisfies the third. But what about second? We can't generate 5 rupees from 2 rupees value note. So first of all, first thing is we find the GCD of all elements of array AI, and here I am giving you one test case for better understanding this thing. For example, let the element of the test case as 10, 15, 12, 60 and 120. Here we can alter one element. So let's assume if we alter the element 30, then GCD of rest of the 15, 12, 60 and 120 is 3. And if we alter the value of 15, then GCD of except 15 is 6, is that of 30, 12, 60, 120. And if we alter 12, then GCD of 30, 15, 16, 120 is 15. And if we alter 60, then GCD of 30, 15, 12, 120 is 3. So and one more case is of in case of if we alter 120, then GCD is 3, and overall GCD of 5 elements is 3. So maximum GCD is in case when we alter the number 12. That means alter the element whose value is 12. In this case the GCD is 15. Then now people say that what if we get GCDs, maximum GCD for more than one values, as in case of 1 to 3. If we remove 1, then GCD of 2 and 3 is 1. If we remove any element, resulting GCD is 1. In that case we finally remove the largest element, is that 3. We change the number 3 element. For example, if we have an element named 842 as given in the question, in that case 842 we can simultaneously alter one by one. First we alter 8, then GCD is 2. If we alter 4, GCD is 2. If we alter 2, GCD is 4. So GCD is maximum in case when we alter 2. So we alter number 2. So now we get that we have to alter 12. Now when we alter 12, the array changes to 30, 15, 60, 120 remains same, and we change 12 to the 15 so that we can get at least one note of that value in that case. So finally the notes is 30 by 15 plus 15 by 15 plus 15 by 15 plus 60 by 15 plus 120 by 15, which is equal to 16. In this case, it is the lowest number of nodes which can be formed. If we take any other case by altering any other thing, we are getting more number of nodes, as in this case. And what about the value here? The minimum number of nodes is 16 and the value of per nodes is 15. In this case, I am giving some remarks points, as element of array can go up to 10 to the power 9, so we can use long int instead of int, which is helpful. And the other point is that if when we use n square, it is giving TLE, so we can use lower complexity, either n log n or n. It depends on your thinking. And third point, if you have any doubt regarding this, then let me know in comment section. And further if you required code for and find like, share and subscribe this channel.